In this video, I'll show you how to view your match history in Call of Duty Mobile. So all you have to do is launch the game, or if you have exited the game, get to this homepage and then tap on the profile icon in the top right left corner, And then from the menu that appears, scroll down and find the history section and select it. And now you should see all the games that you currently played in that particular day or week. Now, there are different categories. There's the multiplayer, there's the battle royale, and the zombie mode. So you can choose each and see all the details regarding that particular mode. So let's say if I want to see the multiplayer mode, you can come there and then you can see the recent matches, all his ones, and you can still scroll through until you find the match you'd like to see the history for. So let's say, for instance, I want to see the first one. So you can just tap on it and then you should see in-depth detail. The rating, the kills, the assists, the deaths, and also the impact. Now, if you want to see more details, all you have to do is tap on this more data option, select it, and then you should see different categories. There's the impact, there's the duel, there's the prop, there's the loadout, and the achievement. So you can tap on each to see what it's all about. So if you want to tap on impact, you can see the impact. If you want to tap on duel, you can see the duel you had with the enemy team. So you can see this guy and me had a 4-0, 6-0, and all those. You can see the prop. The prop means basically the grenades, the operator skills, the score streak, and everything. You can also see the loadouts that you used. And also, you can also see the loadout of the other players. So let's say I was the MVP and he was the MVP on the other side. You can simply see the loadout. If you tap on them, you can see the loadout. And also you can see the achievement that you achieved in that particular match. So all these are the achievements I got from that particular match. And that's basically it on how to see all the match history in Call of Duty Mobile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.